What is that? I think a dragon shit on my car. Fuck's sake. Truck update will be coming soon because the truck is basically finished. But I'm not going to show you guys that yet because that's a separate video. Today is a very good day. Today's video is sponsored by Carly OBD. Carly OBD can code your car and also diagnose problems with it, do health checks with it. The possibilities are endless, and all you got to do is plug it into your OBD. It's so easy. So we're going to use this machine on that machine, which is the green flame or the green dragon, and see if there's any problems and see what I can code on it, because apparently there's a little button on this which turns the ejector seat on, and then I just fly out like that. Like, whoo. I'm sure you'd love to see that, wouldn't you? Yeah, look, there she is. Little machine like that. Not really sure how it works, but I think it connects to your phone, and then I think there's like a wireless connection which goes back to the main base, which then like diagnoses the car through that thing. But all of your clunky OBD readers that you car heads probably already have, where they're like big screens and massive things, this just saves the space, saves the time, and look at that, it's a nice little matte black thing. It just looks better. So I'm carrying that around with me now. I've got rid of all my old OBD readers, so it just does the job, and it's much more efficient. It does not just Mercedes, it does like BMWs, does every single model of BMW basically, Audis, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Just check on the link below and see if it works on your car. But that's enough rambling on. Let's plug her in and see what she does. But before we do, quickly, I am doing a giveaway for some Jordan 4s, or alternatively, the cash equivalent of the Jordan 4s, which is around £300 to £350, depending on the current market. All you got to do to enter is comment below that I have entered, or you can alternatively go over to Instagram, follow me on there, and enter on Instagram. It's up to you. The competition's going to end as soon as I hit 27k, which, judging by my watch, is going to be about 2 weeks, I'd say, maybe less, providing if you hit that subscribe button. And this is a great opportunity if you're a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed yet. Do that right now. Anyway, let's go and plug this in and see what issues we've got, because everything in my life seems to have issues. And look, here we go. It may be good, but it can't fix wrap issues. And look at that little bit of wrap there. Just noticed it. Fuck's sake. The OBD reader in here, I know is for a fact is down here somewhere. There we go. That was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Step 1, plug your Carly in to your OBD reader. I think you leave the car off. Put the Carly app on screen now so you guys can see exactly what I'm seeing as I'm doing it, because don't want to cut any steps out for you. So here we go. We've got the Carly app on screen now. The OBD reader is plugged in. I think all you do now is click this connect button you can see on screen, and you'll see it on screen right now. And then I'm just connecting to the Carly adapter. Easy as that. And then I think it will take us a little bit of time to connect. Oh, it's nearly done it. This machine is so good to keep inside of your car, because if you're ever driving down the road or you're on a road trip somewhere, like you just saw Matt Armstrong's video, his Lamborghini conked out when he was in Spain. I'm not sure if he had any OBD reading equipment on him, but he could have had this on him, or you could have it on you if you break down, and then you can diagnose maybe a little issue while you're away, and it could save you so much drama, getting rental cars out, getting your car collected, because you might actually be able to fix it yourself. So if you're going on road trips or something, you need to carry equipment like this with you. It's almost as important as carrying a little bit of oil and some antifreeze, because this could, here we go. Rookie error. Start the engine and try again.
I was going to say last time we had the car on, but you were
right, anyway, click connect. So yeah, if you are going on a road trip or something, great essential thing to have with you. Oh my god, it's so hot in here, what the fuck? Yeah, it could get you out of bother if you're in a little bit of a pickle, if you're somewhere parked on the side of a road somewhere, not knowing what's going on with your motor. This could get you out of a bit of a pickle. So it's just scanning the car like that, look. Just doing its HDI scans. You actually, rookie error again. So let's start again on the app. Bad start here. So you actually got to select what vehicle you're driving, and I still had it set on my BMW M4, which I connected it to a few weeks ago. So you've actually got to add the new car. So you go into add your car. Easy as this. Where is Mercedes? There we go. Oh my god, quickly, while we're on the topic, look how many different car brands there are. So whatever car brand you are, from Aston Martin to Dacia to Lada. Didn't know Lada was a thing. Lamborghini, look, there you go. Matt Armstrong, you could have had that one. Mercedes, literally every single car you can think of, it's basically got on here. So just got to download the data for my car on there, because obviously it can't store everything on my phone. That would be crazy. Now I've got the car selected on the correct car that the OBD is plugged in. It should do its job now. Here we go. We're now ready to start. So on the Carly OBD app, you've got various options when you get on there to see what's on your car. So it's got insights about your car. You can do a health check. You can do a used car check, which shows if the mileage has been fraudulent. So a good use of OBD would be if you're going to buy a car and you're not sure, you're not sure on the person you're buying it off, or you just want that peace of mind, you know, peace of mind. Other than just doing car checks online, you can actually take the OBD with you, plug it into the car's computer itself, and it will tell you if the mileage has ever been tampered with. And then there are loads of other additional features which you can see here: health diagnostics, live data, used car check, digital garage. I don't actually know what a digital garage is. The Carly Digital Garage, all your diagnostic reports, used car and coding backups will automatically be synchronized to your Carly app. Oh, so that basically just keeps all of your past checks in one place, so it's like your digital garage. Garage? Is that garage? Garage. I keep saying garage. I don't know why I'm saying garage. Is that garage?
Garage.
I'll put that video on screen now.
Oh mate, that is absolutely dotty. Turn that up. What is that? Garage.
And then obviously it's got your standard OBD functions here. I'm going to do a health diagnostics check on my car and see what it's saying. I haven't actually done one of these yet. And what it checks for is ABS, air conditioning, anti-theft, battery management, chassis electronics, immobilizer systems, light systems, transmissions. It checks everything. So this could be interesting. This could be very interesting. Or it could be very expensive, one of the two. But yeah, there's so many different uses for this. It's not just capable of fixing your car, it can also prevent you from buying a lemon off of somebody in Auto Trader, because I know what it's like. When you go to the car, everything looks rosy, car's decent, cheap price, you think, oh, this is a bloody good deal. You get the car back, 2 days later, boom, your engine's exploded, head gasket's gone, and you're out of pocket. So little things like this could prevent that from happening. So if you do want it, just follow the link in the description below. Get yours now. There's a little discount on there using my link. So obviously the boy's trying to help you out as much as possible. It's already found an issue on my Mercedes. Look, oh, you actually can see on screen. Okay. One issue found already. So I'm not sure if that's it's not a good thing, is it? It's bad. It's a bad thing. It's a bad thing. But see what we're doing right here, this issue could actually in the future have caused me serious problems. But because I've found it now, using my Carly OBD, I can get it sorted, and then it's not going to fruit into anything really bad, because I know there's nothing seriously wrong with the car. Because when I had that fault last week, I plugged it into the OBD there, and the only fault that come up was the exhaust problem. And the exhaust problem was basically caused by poor petrol I put in it. But in the UK, you know there's a petrol shortage. You can't get premium fucking Shell V-Power anywhere, so it's been a bit of a nightmare. Oh my god, 6 issues found. We've got 6 issues on my car. And this is actually the first time that I have done a full diagnostics with Carly on this car. I've done it on my M4. And, well, safe to say, I am surprised that there's 6 issues found. So, 9 issues found now. I have no idea what they're going to be. Right, I'm going to come back to you once the check is done, because this is the most painful process, seeing the issues just mount up on my car. But it's also good, because then at least I know what they are and I can fix them. And just like that, the check is complete. And here are my faults. So we've got faults with the Parktronic, we've got faults with remote start, we've got faults with keyless go. The ones with remote start and keyless go are all to do with the batteries in the key that need changing. I know that because every time I get in the car it says, please change the keys batteries. But it's one of them things you just never ever get around to doing. I will do it at some point. AMG drive unit. Multifunction output 4 has multifunction. There is a short circuit to ground or an open circuit. Not serious. So what it does is it does a health status check. So it tells you if the faults are gonna blow your car up and eject you out the front into a 90-mile-an-hour crash, or it tells you if they're acceptable and that you don't really need to fix them at that point in time. So all of mine have come through that I don't need to actually act upon it at the moment, but they are there and that I need to be aware of them. So we've got 3 faults with the Parktronic. They're all stored faults, which I can just clear at the bottom here. The keyless go ones I'm going to clear. This central gateway, there's 2 faults there. They are actually because of the batteries in the key that need changing as well. And then I've obviously got the one at the top with the open circuit, which I'm not too worried about at the moment because I was faffing around with the spoiler the other day, so I think there might be a loose wire in there because I'm actually fitting a new rear wing on there anyway. So we're going to go ahead and now and clear the issues, and then there will be 0 problems with my car. Fantastic. I'm actually quite relieved that there's no major problems on it. But it says check in 2 to 3 days the health status of your car, just to check that no faults have come back and that anything serious has gone. And look, remind me in 3 days. It's even that good. It tells me, I just spat on my phone, it tells me that it can remind me in 3 days. So I'm actually going to do that, and it's going to remind me in 3 days to check my car to make sure that none of them faults have come back. That is fucking crazy. So if you're busy like me, or you just have the worst memory, then look, the app's doing it for you, and it's actually got all the faults there that are recently cleared, so you know exactly what you're looking for when you do the check again. So the second check that I wanted to do on this car before the video ends is the mileage check. So here you can see on screen, this is the Carli mileage check. It can tell that there are 9 saved mileages on this car, and if they are correct, then they will be going up in a linear pattern like that, because obviously you don't do that. Mileage doesn't go like that unless somebody's tampered with it. So let's start my check and just double check that my mileage is consistent. I'm hoping it will be, because if not, GV are getting a phone call straight away and I'm not happy about it. But I can't see there being any problems with that. I actually plugged this into my M4 the other day, and there's a lot more features accessible for the M4 because the ECUs on them are easier to tap into. You can do stuff from like coding headlights to bits on the screen here and wing mirrors, and there's so many features. So if you've got a BMW or something else, definitely right now you should go and check it. Here we go to reports. Carli has detected no tampering. 2 data points found in the mileage. Let's have a look at mileage was consistent. Happy days, look at that. So there we go. That is a little check done on my Mercedes AMG. Follow the link in the description now. Go and get your Carli OBD. There's a little deal and a discount on there for you now, just to keep it in your car with you, because if you're going to car meets, or you're razzing your car around going on road trips, or even you're just taking your kids to school, if something goes wrong and you have the power to fix it on you, you will feel so much better about it than if you are stranded on the side of the road waiting for the AA to pick you up. Never a nice feeling. Or even if you want to get a little bit excited and you want to code some stuff into your car, check what you can code on the Carli website now and see what your car is capable of doing, because there's actually a feature coming soon to Carli where you can turn your car into a helicopter. But I'm going to press the ejector button on my seat right now, which is going to fly me out the window screen and straight onto that hill in front of me. But before I press that button, guys, thanks for watching the video. Follow the link in the description, get your Carli, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I know who you are, and I'm coming for you. So 3, 2, 1.